Mom, did you hear this? Our maid Lakshmi's daughter Shimi is getting married. She just told me.
Oh, really? I'm shocked to hear that. She is just 13 years old. That's not right at all. I will talk to Lakshmi and convince her to stop it.
Why do you want to stop it?
13 years is not an age to get married. She does not understand what marriage is. Also, she is not fit physically for marriage yet.
Then why are they trying to marry her off?
It's because of our age-old traditions. Also, people like them feel that girls are a burden to take care of. They also feel that girls anyway leave the house after their marriage. So they are eager to send her off. Further, younger ones get married easily.
That is not fair, Mom, right?
True, it isn't fair. Often parents want to take pleasure in marrying their children during their adolescence itself. That is for safety in case they fall down economically. Also, girls are given in marriage due to external pressures by money lenders, because they cannot repay their debts.
I don't like this at all. I think Shimi should refuse to marry and continue her schooling. She is also helping her mother with household works.
You are right. Child marriages started off centuries ago when foreign invaders raided Indian towns and carried off unmarried virgins. They left married women and girls untouched.
Oh, really? I understand now why our ancestors were married very young.
That was perhaps good in one sense. But that leads to many problems, like high mortality during childbirth of girls and newborns. Also, many women remained illiterate and dependent on the husband and children during their whole life. Also, they could not teach their children much except being a cook.
In the hurry to tie their children in marriage and see their families grow, the parents missed some important points.
Yes. It is our important duty to stop this practice. The government has banned child marriages. Until a girl is 18 years old, she should not be married. She should preferably be sent to school.
Right. I will tell this to Shimi. I will ask her to study well and find her own good choice later on. There is nothing to fear about girls' marriage nowadays.
You are right. Tomorrow when Lakshmi comes in, I will speak to her and change her decision. In case she doesn't agree, I will inform the government authorities.
Okay, Mom. I am going to watch TV. Serve me snacks and Born Vita.